Alright, we're installing our last nuke. And just want to give you guys a little bit of what we do. A little bit of the reasoning. So we've got 5 frames already inside of the deep box. We're pulling 2 out just so we have enough space for the 5 frames coming from the nuke. And then we're going to inspect the frames to see what kind of brood we got. Quick queen cell inspections, things like that. If you don't see brood, obviously you may have some issues with the queen. Looking pretty good. Ooh, look at the bottom, look at the bottom. Pop that bad boy open. Looked like it might have been emerged. And since we saw that, double check for eggs. Typically when we install the nukes, we just look for larvae, but considering they may have had a recent emergence, want to see where they're at. Don't see any queen cells on the bottom of that frame. Oop, there's a queen cup on the other side. A or nay on the eggs?
Nay.
Okay, check this queen cell down here. Pull it open. See any egg in there? Nope, no egg.
On the queen cup or just on this frame?
On the frame too. Another queen cup on the bottom of that frame. See it? Have Chantal inspect that one for an egg.
Yep. There's eggs.
Okay. So we got eggs on that frame. Was there an egg in the queen cup? I see Queenie. We're gonna do a quick zoom in for the folks out there in YouTube land or whatever. The shadows, the shadows. All right. They got a queen. They're laying eggs. A couple queen cells and cups, but nothing inside of them, so it looks like they're well on their way to building up for the rest of the year. Crush it. So there was an egg in the queen cup, but since we have a healthy queen who's already laying eggs.
Right? Want to see it?
Yep, let me see if I can get it close in on that. A little egg back there. We're gonna keep them with their queen though. Requeen at this point, we just set them back a little bit. Go ahead and peel it back with your fingernail, yeah. with your glove extension. Yeah, so just check down in there. See an egg?
Yep.
Okay, smash it out. They're thinking about it. Now some beekeepers might let them go and say, hey, you know, if they want to requeen, then let them requeen. The only issue is 16 days to make a new queen from egg to adult, and then a couple days to harden, a couple days to get mated. So it'd be a while before you got another queen laying in there. And of course that's never 100%. So it would set the nuke back a little bit. At this point, we're gonna let this queen run. We'll make a note in our notes to make sure to check on it if it's not doing well compared to the other ones at this point, or in a couple weeks or 3 weeks, and we may requeen when the queens become available. So now we're pulling out the last frame. A little bit of honey across the top. Nectar. Big old drones. Let me zoom in on a drone. Wait, I missed it now. There it goes. The sun is so reflective. He's there. The blackberry has grown 25 feet since the last time we were here. 2 days of sunshine. It's the Pacific Northwest kudzu. Alright, so now we've got the 5 frames from the Nuke with the 3 frames here that were initially, 2 frames on the floor over there. We're putting 1 with wax already on it, and then on the very outside we're going to do some frames without wax on them, just the foundation. And this year we're going to build up more new comb as just a general process to kind of keep cycling out frames and keeping new material, fresh material going. Tighten the frames up. Put the rest of the Nuke as much as you can get in there. Leave the box out front. Inner cover, top cover. And that's all she wrote.